Now it's available at McCarthycars Ford Tourneo, 16 plate 2016, white. Car has front daylights, it's got front parking sensor, front fog lights, it's got sliding rear door, privacy rear glass. It's 7-seater car. Car has reversing camera, it's got rear parking sensors. Split folding rear seats. Black velour interior. It's got side and front airbags. 7 headrests. For electric window, electric mirrors. Car has satellite navigation, reversing camera, DAB radio, got CD, air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox, USB aux connection, 5-speed manual gearbox. Thank you for watching.